In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Apple Cash balance to your bank account. Apple Cash is a digital payment card that's built right into your iPhone or iOS device. It allows you to send or receive money right inside of Messages or the Wallet app. It's super easy to text someone over some money or even pay for something in a store that accepts Apple Pay. But if you want to take money out that someone has sent you, or in my case, built up from Apple Card rewards, it's also simple to transfer over to a bank account. You can either send it instantly to your debit card that you link to your Apple account with a fee, or transfer it to your bank account for free, but with a couple days delay. To see how much you have or to get to the Apple Cash screen, you can either open the Wallet app or open Settings and scroll down and choose Wallet and Apple Pay. You'll see inside of here a list of the linked cards to your Apple account. Find and choose Apple Cash. If you opened the Wallet app, you'll see a larger list of the linked cards. Again, choose Apple Cash, and once on this screen, tap the three dots on the top right. Here you'll see your balance and more cash settings. You can check if you've already added a bank to your Apple account by choosing Bank Account on this screen. You may have in the past linked a bank already, and if so, it'll show here. If not, you can add a bank account here by selecting it and then using your routing and account numbers that you can easily find on a check or by logging into your bank account's website. Once you have your bank account linked, head back to the main cash screen and you'll see Transfer to Bank near the top. Select that. Enter the amount that you want to transfer out of your cash balance and then hit Next on the top right. Next, you'll need to select the transfer option that you want to do. The two choices are Instant, which transfers to a debit card but has a fee, and a 1 to 3 business day bank transfer that is free. If you haven't linked a debit card or bank account yet still, when you choose one of these options, it'll have you go through the steps to link them. Make your choice and then tap Transfer on the top right. After that, you'll need to confirm by double-clicking and using Face ID or Touch ID, and once it confirms, the transfer will then be started. If you chose Instant, you should see it right away or by bank within a few days. And that's how you transfer money out of your Apple Cash wallet balance to your bank account.